Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope students you are doing good. Chapter 18 Association of Attributes is under discussion. Today lecture number 3 and the topic is General Procedure for Test of Independence. Now students, kindly subscribe to my channel and give your feedback. Let's start the topic of General Procedure for Test of Independence. The contents of today's lectures are: the first point will be the chi-square distribution and the second point is the general procedure for test of independence. First of all, I will discuss the brief concept about chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. Chi-square is a statistic which has a positively skewed distribution as shown below. Now students, chi-square की जो आपके पास shape है वो positively skewed होगी to the right and the value of chi-square from 0 to infinity और limit of the chi-square distribution जो है वो आपके पास move कर रही है 0 to infinity as shown in figure. Chi-square cannot take any negative value. The shape of the chi-square distribution depends upon the degree of freedom which is calculated from the given sample, and chi-square distribution can be used for various purposes. One of the application of the chi-square is to test the independence of attributes. Chi-square is defined as chi-square का फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज करेंगे chi-square के लिए समेशन FO माइनस FE का होल स्क्वायर और डिनोमिनेटर में यूज करेंगे expected frequencies FE. FO denote observed frequencies and FE denoted expected frequencies. तो now students, chi-square जो है वो आपके पास एक positively skewed distribution है और इसकी लिमिट जो है वो आपके पास मूव कर रही है 0 to infinity और यहाँ पे आपके पास दो एरियाज हैं. One is the 1 minus alpha area which is the acceptance regions और right side पे आपके पास alpha area है which is the rejection region और आपके पास यहाँ पे जो इसकी critical value है which is chi-square alpha degree of freedom और ये हम लोग यहाँ पे इसको दो एरियाज में डिवाइड कर लेंगे acceptance regions and rejection regions और this is the full picture of the chi-square distribution. Now the second point is the general procedure for test of independence. With the help of chi-square distribution, one can follow the following steps. First step, state the hypothesis. Null hypothesis write करेंगे which is denoted by H0. The attributes are independent. और इसके against hypothesis which is alternative hypothesis denoted by H1. The attributes are not independent. Second step is the level of significance which is denoted by alpha. Alpha can take 5% or 1% which is the probability of rejecting H0 when H0 is true. And the third step is the test statistic. इसमें हम लोग formula use करेंगे chi-square summation FO minus FE का whole square over FE और FO denote observed frequencies and FE is expected frequencies. Now the fourth step is computation. First we arrange the observed frequencies in rows and columns. Now find the expected frequencies using formula. Against each observed frequencies we find the expected frequencies by using formula row total into column total over grand total. Then find the value of chi-square using chi-square statistic. Chi-square equal to summation FO minus FE whole square over FE. This is the fourth step of computation. Now the fifth step is the critical region for test of independence. First we find the degree of freedom, as degree of freedom is denoted by D dot F equal to R minus 1 into C minus 1. Here R is the number of rows and C is the number of columns. Now students, दोनों की values को हम लोग put करेंगे degree of freedom के formula के अंदर और then multiply करेंगे and get the value of the degree of freedom. Then find the table value और हम लोग table chi-square table को use करेंगे against the alpha value. Alpha is the level of significance 5% और 1% और इसको against degree of freedom जो है हम लोग check करेंगे chi-square table में. Then get the value of the chi-square alpha degree of freedom और then students हम लोग compare करेंगे calculated value of chi-square को tabulated value से at chosen level of significance. And the sixth step, students, we draw the conclusion, or here we draw the conclusion if the calculated value of chi-square is greater than the tabulated value of chi-square, so we reject H0, otherwise accept H0. अगर आपके पास this condition जो है वो आपके पास fulfill हो रही है, it means that कि आपने अपने hypothesis को reject करना है and H0 is your attributes are independent और आपने अगर ये आपके पास greater है calculated value tabulated value से तो आपने अपने hypothesis को reject करना है और accept कर लेना है H1 को. This is the conclusion of for test of independence. These are the 6 steps to follow the test of independence. In this lecture, the general procedure for test of independence under the discussion of the chi-square distribution has been discussed. इंशाल्लाह स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अपना फीडबैक जरूर दें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू.